5 MBA colleges in Srikakulam. Number 5. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Srikakulam. Established 2008. Accreditation AIU membership. Affiliated UGC. Eligibility graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses MBA. Location Etcherla, Andhra Pradesh. Number 4. Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology. Established 2008. Accreditation NAAC. Affiliated JNTU Kakinada. Eligibility graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses MBA. Location Etcherla, Andhra Pradesh. Number 3. Sarada Institute of Science, Technology and Management. Accreditation AICTE. Affiliated JNTU Kakinada. Eligibility graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses MBA. Location Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. Number 2. Sri Sivani College of Engineering. Established 2006. Accreditation NAAC. Affiliated JNTU Kakinada. Eligibility graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses offered as shown. Location Chilakapalam, Andhra Pradesh. Number 1. Mithra Institute of Management. Established 2004. Accreditation AICTE. Affiliated JNTU Kakinada. Eligibility graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses offered as shown. Location Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. For more details, log on to GraduatesEngine.com.